When I was little and I discovered chocolate and art, and I found that there's something that I can put chocolate and art together. How wonderful is that? Baking is one of the only things that when you're doing it, you're playing with food. How fun can that be? With each student, they're going to find something in particular they gravitate more to. And when you can catch that and build on that, and that ignites within them, that's when they start really blooming into this industry. You find that little niche within them that you can see the light in their eyes, and you can see how they get excited about something, and then you can really work with them to groom that and pull that out of them more so that their enjoyment and their passion comes out in their product. I'm Chef Christina Nicosia, and I'm the lead baking and pastry instructor at Louisiana Culinary Institute in Baton Rouge, Louisiana.